I would like to open this video with Rumi's quote. Yesterday I was clever, so I wanted to change the world. Today I am wise, so I am changing myself. Hello everyone, welcome to Canadian Desi Chef. Today we are making nutritious, healthy, super tasty almond milk nectar. I am referring it as a nectar as this drink is elixir for human being in terms of its advantages as per Ayurveda and medical science both. This drink is powerful combination of turmeric milk, golden milk and almond milk. I have designed this recipe for busy people in a way that one drink serves all possible health benefits to mind, body and soul of all age group. This is a must-watch video for those who want their whole family to be happy, healthy and prospering. So watch this video till end. This drink has warm to cold, creamy, a touch of sweet and a brush of spicy, a hint of cardamom, a whisper of cinnamon, a mumble of fennel seeds, a sigh of ginger, an assertiveness of turmeric, and all blended into beautiful golden color like a field of sunflowers. Doesn't this sound like a delightful way to start your day? Each ingredient used in this drink has immense benefits, which will bore your head with immense happiness, satisfaction, gratification and clarity. It will unlock your fragile mind from tunnel vision and providing you hope, determination, concentration, brainstorming ideas, and you will also get rid of the clutter of clouded chain of unnecessary thoughts. It is a key to your brain. Adding it in your diet act as a power punch and you will be ready to work as a horsepower and will meet a new version of yourself. So do not skip or replace any ingredient for best results. You can adjust sweetness a bit though. Let's start making it. Take a pot and add unsweetened almond milk in it. Then add whole black peppercorn. Black pepper has piperine, a bioactive compound that enhances curcumin found in turmeric by absorption of 2000%. Now add cinnamon stick. When I'm saying cinnamon, I'm talking about Ceylon and not cassia, which is another cheap variety of cinnamon which is widely available in grocery stores. It is rather harmful for our health in long terms. Usually it tends to attract customers by its smooth, shiny and even looks. Then add fennel seed powder or fennel seeds. And do not confuse with any seeds. Fennel seeds are called moti sauf in Hindi, whereas any seeds are called patli or meaty sauf in Hindi. They both are beneficial for us, but in this recipe use fennel seeds only as it pacifies all three doshas and positively affects on our prana, our vital life energy. Prana needs to be increased in spring after sleepy winter. This is another reason this drink is mostly enjoyed in holy times. It also gives mind clarity and increased alkaline level in body, whereas any seed only helps in increasing alkaline in body. Then add crushed green cardamom pods. It is regarded as the queen of spices and is the third most expensive spice after saffron and vanilla. Then add fresh, washed, unpeeled grated ginger in it. When the weather is soggy, you will tired and groggy. You naturally crave sunlight and heat. Pungent and light, fresh ginger clears away the damp clouds of winter, invigorating your whole system as it lifts your mood and boosts enthusiasm. The perkiness of ginger bids you to say goodbye to dullness and depression. Then add fresh, washed, unpeeled, grated organic turmeric. Turmeric, also known as haldi or harira, is said to give the energy of Divine Mother and to grant prosperity. A likeness of Ganesha is often craved in a whole turmeric root and invokes the strength overcome obstacles, again granting prosperity and success. It will cleanse the subtle channels and chakras of our body. Now put the pot on a stove and bring it to boil. Then turn down the flame to low and simmer it for 10 minutes. Add jaggery powder in hot milk and stir it. In the meantime, peel your pre-soaked almond and chop it. Add it to the glass or cup. Then add saffron strands in a same cup. Soaked almonds and most precious herb Mother Nature has provided us. By soaking almond, then preparing them with cinnamon and other spices is a great way to improve their digestibility. Almond's oily nature lubricates the intestine. It keeps you grounded, encourages feeling of stability and heaviness, makes you feel settled mentally and relaxed. Mildly sedates the nervous system to erase stress. It can bring a spacey or anxious person back to earth. It's a second best tonic for brain. Works on bone, marrow, muscle and plasma. Almond skin is hard to digest, so soaking helps their digestibility and also allowing the nuts to release nutrients. Saffron is a refrigerant for the mind. Saffron has a metallic honey, bitter taste and hay-like fragrance. It is world's most expensive spice in weight. Saffron is nervine, sedative, blood tonic, alkalizing, to name few from its numerous benefits. Please find detailed information and facts in description box. Enjoy this drink with your whole family once a day. I would recommend it to have every morning to kickstart your day. If you have any question, please let me know in comment section. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you soon in next video. Till then, keep learning and help others to learn. Bye bye. Take care.